Incoherence of information, complexity, and computation. People will often proclaim that consciousness is information, or that consciousness is complexity, or that consciousness is computation. They might combine some of these and say that consciousness is complex information, or that consciousness is complex computation. It is beyond comprehension how they arrive at these beliefs. There is no chain of logic that can take you from something like the redness of red or the sound of the standard A tone to things like information, complexity, or computation. I will go so far as to say it is not only not logical, but it is completely idiotic. It is certainly at least incoherent, and it is definitely not scientific. With these theories, it is always about some kind of measure of the amount of consciousness. The more information, the more complexity, or the more computation, then the more consciousness. What? Why should that be true? No reasons, they just say it is true. But what even is this varying consciousness thing that they are measuring? They never define it or know what it is. They never talk about a particular aspect of consciousness like the redness of red, but always talk in generalities about some undefined consciousness thing. So how is the redness of red going to be information, complexity, or computation? The common thread between all these so-called theories of consciousness is that the proponents claim that they have put consciousness into a mathematical framework. But this is just another incoherent claim. The redness of red, the standard A tone, the salty taste, the smell of bleach, the touch of a rough surface, pain, pleasure, etc. are not mathematical. These are conscious experiences in the conscious mind. When you listen to the proponents talk about these theories, they almost always emphasize how they have turned the study of consciousness into a precise mathematical endeavor. These mathematical frameworks are frauds perpetrated on university funding departments to get research money. There is no mathematics that applies in conscious space. Mathematics is strictly for physical space. The best thing that can be said for these theories is that they might involve some of the neural correlates of consciousness, physical space, but certainly not consciousness itself, conscious space.